Good day, guys. Let me show you how to fix all this touchpad. Any type of leading touchpad, let me show you how to fix it. Let me open the phone first, so you will see it is very easy to fix. Guys, like this video, share and comment. Any problem you have, drop it on the comment section. Just take your time and fix the phone. As you can see from here, look for something that is very flat. You can remove it from screen guard or anything. Just make sure you don't use iron, and you can use your blower. You can use your blower to remove the touchpad very easily. I will soon be done. As you can see, what I'm using is from screen guard. You remove it from screen guard, and you can use it like this, very easy. Just take your time, careful. Look at how I'm doing it now. Okay, let me remove the tape. Okay, I want to remove the old touchpad now so that I can fix the new one. Okay, as you can see, this is when I'm removing the old one. You guys just watch carefully. You will see. Have you seen it? Before you fix the new one, make sure you clean the screen. Make sure you clean the screen very nice and very neat. Make sure the screen is neat before you fix the old one, because after fixing the new screen, it will be very difficult for you to clean the screen, so you will not spoil the main screen. So look at what I'm doing here. This thing is from screen guard. You can also use it if you want to use it, and make sure you clean the screen. Make the screen very neat. Okay, I'm almost done. I'm almost done. Okay, this is the new one. Before you put the new touchpad, make sure you put lead on the legs so that it will be very easy for you to solder it. As you can see what I'm doing now, I'm almost done. Okay, let me put it back now, so we'll test it. Don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to like. Drop your comments on the comment section. Follow this page. Okay, I'm almost done. Let's go. Okay, when you are fixing this kind of touchpad, just take your time. Okay, let me test it. Okay, the phone is on now. Let's test the screen. Okay, let me test it so you will see that it's working perfectly. Okay, as you can see, it's touching. Wow. Guys, like my video. See you in my next video.